cannot wait to share with you how to use Gemini OmniFlash, which is now inside Adobe Firefly Boards. You can generate incredibly professional and engaging videos in a flash. Swap characters, styles and scenes using a reference image or video and a simple text prompt. And my thanks to Adobe Firefly for sponsoring this video. So Gemini OmniFlash is the latest AI partner model available inside Firefly Boards and is perfect for solopreneurs and creators who don't have a team, who aren't video experts, but who still need engaging, high-quality video content. So by the end of this video, you'll understand how to generate some quick B-roll, bring a product shot to life, create seasonal campaigns, or just have a bit of fun inside a Firefly board. Maintaining consistent characters when generating AI videos can be problematic, so I've got a quick bonus tip to show you how to fix that. And if the thought of writing AI text prompts makes you feel a bit apprehensive, my second bonus tip will make you feel a lot more confident. So follow me over to my Adobe Firefly account and let's make a start. Let's start by opening up Adobe Firefly. Just type this URL into your browsers. So once you're in the home page, go to the left-hand side column and find where it says Boards. Click on Boards, and you can either create a new board or you can open an existing one. I've already set up this board here for a coffee brand I've been working on, so I'm going to click on it to open it up. And I've got these 6 beautiful brand photographs already loaded up onto the board. So I'm now going to show you how to use one or more of these images as references to generate a video using Gemini OmniFlash. To add content to your boards, just go to the left-hand side column and click on this little button here. You can upload from your own device or from the Adobe Cloud storage. So at the bottom of your screen, click on Generate Video. The first thing to do is select the correct AI model. So of course, we're going to select Gemini OmniFlash. Choose the correct ratio for your video, so either widescreen or vertical. I'm going to stick with widescreen and then select the duration of your video, so anything between 4 seconds and 10. On the right hand side of this little toolbar, Adobe Firefly will calculate the number of credits you're going to use. So since we're generating a video from image references, the next step is to click on Image and then select one of the photographs above on the board. And you'll see that photograph has now been added as a reference image in the toolbar. You can generate your AI video from just one image or up to 4 images. I've now selected 3 reference images. The final step is to write that AI text prompt to describe the sort of video you want to generate. Use simple language, nothing too complicated, because OmniFlash already has the images for reference. If you're still unsure how to write an effective text prompt, I'll share my secret tip with you in just a few moments. Once that's done, the last thing to do is click on the blue Generate button and see what Gemini OmniFlash comes up with. Whilst the video is generating, you'll see this little grey box here. It may take a minute or 2 depending on how many images you're using. The finished video will appear instead of the grey box, and here it is. So now you can select the video with your cursor and place it on your Firefly board. To increase the size of the video, just grab a hold of the corner buttons and drag them out. And this is what my promotional video looks like. Now let's move on to creating a video from an existing video. So you can use any video from a promotional shoot, a personal talking head video, or even a fun cartoon. But the video does have to be 10 seconds or less in duration. If you're enjoying this video, please consider subscribing because it really does help support my channel. Thank you so much. I've uploaded this talking head video onto a new Firefly board, and just as I did before, I'm going to select it with my cursor. Go down to the toolbar underneath and click Generate Video, and this time select Gemini OmniFlash as my AI model. Select either widescreen or the vertical ratio, and this time there's no need to set a video duration because it will match the video that you've uploaded. Now since I'm using a video reference this time, I'm going to click on Video and then select it with my cursor again. A thumbnail image has now appeared in the toolbar. And all that's left for me to do now is to write the AI prompt. Just let your imagination run riot and describe a completely different iteration of your video. Now for those bonus tips I mentioned at the start of the video. If you're new to writing text prompts or you don't feel you have the confidence just now, open up a tool like ChatGPT. Click on the plus icon to attach your reference image or video. Now ask ChatGPT to generate a suitable text prompt to use in Adobe Firefly and then describe the sort of scene you'd like it to create. Try and restrict the text prompt to between 2 and 3 lines. Click Generate and then wait for the text prompt to appear. Well, it's not quite 2 or 3 lines, but it's still pretty succinct, and this leads me on to the second bonus tip I was going to share with you. When creating different iterations of a video, you might find it difficult to maintain consistent facial features. So to help you get around this problem, you need to add instructions like this to your text prompt. You're instructing the AI model to preserve the speaker's facial features, expressions, and lip sync, and that's all you need to add. Now copy the text prompt and head back over into your Adobe Firefly board. Paste the prompt into the space provided and click Generate. I've already been through this step and this was the resulting video. So if I click on it, I can now place it onto my board. Once done, I can make some quick edits by clicking on the Edit button. If there's sound that I don't want, I can mute it. I can take a snapshot by clicking on the little camera icon, and this is really handy if, say, you're a YouTuber and you want to take a thumbnail image. And I can also upscale it with Topaz Astra. And finally, once I'm happy with the completed video, I can download it to my local device. And this is my completed video. So now you know how to use a video as a reference to generate weeks worth of visually different variations without reshooting. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, which helps to support my channel. And then watch this video coming up next about how to generate brand images, including captions, in super quick time by connecting Adobe with Claude AI. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time.